Hello and welcome. My name's Julie and we're going to do a short video today. This is the short little set I prepared for you. Strong breath surrounds movement, and that is yoga. So if you have breath, you can do yoga. You don't even have to do this standing, but that's how I'm going to show it. Moving the arms first, just following the breath. Inhaling, exhaling, and then resting. A little bit of folding there. And then we have a little part B where we do a little downward dog and cow, and then a child's pose and a rest. And then a part C with this little tiny baby cobra and the child's pose and resting. All right, and so this is all just flexion, extension of the spine, but you can add little twists and side bends, and I might do that at the end. So I just want to give you something you can do really quickly. This is my lovely assistant, and this is our website, www.realdealyoga.org. All right, and MOANA is the foundation here that we're building, Music, Ocean Arts, Nature Association. Okay, so you can start somewhere near the top of your mat if you have one. If you have a child, you just work around, it's all good. And I really recommend setting aside 7 minutes a day for this. You can do it. All right, so let's get started. You can have feet hip width and just stand for a moment. Notice the whole body, front, back, left, right. And this big, strong breath, it's an ujjayi breath if you're familiar with that. And do take the time to feel the inhale, come in and down, fill up, hold it in, pause, and then exhale up and out. Hold it out and pause. And this is all through the nose, so if you can close the mouth. If there's something obstructing the nose, breathe through the mouth, but if you can, nostril breath. And it's also a breath that you know from sleeping, so you make a little constriction in the throat like that. So see if you can do that. Here we go. Breath starts, then you move. So in that way, breath surrounds movement. So you can just do that a few times with just the arms, and then on you go, inhaling up and folding down. A few times up and down with this fold. And then you stay in the fold. 3 strong breaths. And as you do this, you might move a little bit. So the inhale, you can relax the body. You might come out of the fold. As you exhale, squeeze the tummy, and you might fold a little deeper. And then come up. A nice big inhale to take you all the way up and rest. All right, so that's the first part. You just rest here for a moment. Feel the feet again. Feel the hands together very softly, resting. Feel the heartbeat. All right, and then moving on, you can take a breath up and down to get there. And then we want to start exhaling in the downward facing dog. And then take an inhale to come down into this cow pose. So cow pose, you can just arch the tail up, the head up, the heart comes down. And then rolling over with the exhale. And just do that a few times. Inhale big, it surrounds this movement. And then just stay in this downward facing dog. You can modify, you can make it shorter, a little bit easier, or you can make it deeper, or you could forego this altogether and just stay down here and do this nice little cat pose, like a little scared cat, the back goes up. Wherever you are, 3 to 5 breaths there, nice big breaths, and then coming down and resting. So child's pose, lots of options. You can do this knees wide, toes together, arms forward, or you might try arms behind and the knees together. And just rest. All right, so the last little part, just come forward. You can take an inhale to do it and kind of snake through and come down on the abdominals, and then back kind of curl. And you can just go back and forth with that a few times. Big inhale. And if you have a noisy child, you just take bigger, stronger breaths and focus on that breath. It will help you feel better. And then stay here. A few breaths. Inhaling and exhaling. And just arching, getting that nice open heart, shoulder squeeze. Big breath. Maybe one more. You want to fly the arms back and the feet up, and then just come down and rest. And that's it. You can practice a nice big sigh. Do it a few times to really signal the body to rest. All right, folks. That's about it for today. You can keep resting in that way, or in child's pose more, or on your back. And that's all I want to give you. Thank you so much. Do visit the website and contact us with questions. There it is, www.realdealyoga.org. Thank you so much for coming into our home. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.